Hey everyone! Just installed Windows 11 and wondering how to get the This PC icon or access your files directly from the desktop? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the This PC icon and other essential shortcuts to your desktop in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Personalize from the context menu. This will take you to the Windows 11 personalization settings where we can customize your desktop icons. Now that you're in the personalization settings, click on Themes from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and you'll see an option called Desktop Icon Settings. Click on it to open the settings for desktop icons. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, you'll see checkboxes for various icons like This PC, Recycle Bin, Control Panel, and more. Check the box next to Computer or This PC to add it to your desktop. You can also check other icons like Users Files or Network if you want quick access to them. Once you've selected the icons you need, click Apply and then OK. And just like that, the icons will show up on your desktop. Now that the icons are on your desktop, you can arrange them however you like. Just click and drag them to your preferred spots. If they're not aligned, right-click on an empty area of the desktop, go to View, and select Auto Arrange Icons or Align Icons to Grid. With the This PC icon now on your desktop, you can double-click it to access all your drives, folders, and files in one place. It's a great shortcut for getting to your documents, downloads, or any external drives connected to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully added the This PC icon and other essential shortcuts to your Windows 11 desktop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.